we got down to the old town is we found a nice little parking spot. And I don't know, we just walked down the hill ways and around the corner, marked number 1 in red, and then off to the police station to see if we get rid of our fines from yesterday. And of course we did. Andrea did a great job of explaining to them that we were right. Ciao! Razio, Loredana, and our favorite dog in the world, Maya. Look at the sea. Perfect to see, isn't it? See? And over there in the background, way out, that is Sicily over there, the mountains that you see. Sicilia. So now we're going to go on walk number 2, which is the blue. And the blue walk has 1, 2, 3 stops. And each one of those stops, we're going to take a look at a few things, a few pictures. And this is how we did it. And I think you would enjoy it. Ciao.
Which is 1500.
That's the Spanish wall?
Sí. During the Spanish domination. The door, and this was a Greek construction in the 4th century before Christ. 400.
400. Oh, century you said.
4th century.
Oh,
400. And then it was redone in the 1300, 1200.
Ah.
My favorite film, Il Postino, and this is a very famous Italian actor, Massimo Troisi. This is an actor that, come si dice? Personaggio? No. Pablo Neruda.
All these movies were filmed here on these Aeolian Islands and close to this church. Gorgeous. What a historical place.
Next walk, which is the 3rd walk, which is the green walk, and we're going to stop at number 4 is the big church, beautiful church inside, and number 5 stop is the monastery. This is where the cardinal, there used to be the home of the cardinal, this church here, and it's a massive thing, and buildings upon buildings, beautiful, wow. Here comes the priest Andrea. the priest of all wines. Here we are heading down a hallway just after the church to the monastery. It's it makes for great pictures, but it wasn't really, I guess it hasn't been used for a long time, but it's well worth taking a quick little walk through, taking a look at the stonework and and imagine how it would have been walking this area as a priest or as a monk, whatever it was. But it's actually, yeah, no, it's worth seeing. Ciao. Our next walk is in yellow on the map, and it was walk number 4. And there we had stop number 6, which is a crypt. And there was a class with 2 teachers, history class. They were being taught Greek, Roman, Ephesian history, right in this cemetery. Pretty doggone amazing. Plus, number 7 was the old Greek theater, and number 8, Joni walked right down, and oh, the views were fantastic over the sea. So, ciao. So this is school class, yes? Primary school. And you're teaching history?
Yes.
Ah. Fantastic. In the middle of a cemetery. See. Wow.
Greek theater.
Oh, the Greek theater.
Yes.
Ah. Ciao. Fantastic. Thank you. Thank you. Well, walk number 5, which is the blue. And we walked back down, first to the church, and there's this long set of stairs that go way down. They're absolutely very gorgeous. And the walk back to the parking lot, and through the town again, it's just, yeah, it's so peaceful and so serene. It's just wonderful, and it's worth doing.